We spend a lot of time daily on our phones. Mostly, we use it for social media or interaction with our friends. We may also use it to watch some YouTube videos to kill time. But let me ask you exactly how many apps are there on your phone? How much do you enjoy using it? I'm pretty sure there must be a number of different apps on your phones, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, and some mobile games as well. These apps surely help a person socialize and help pass time. But if not used professionally, these apps just eat up your time. Will you believe that you can make money while sleeping from an app? Yes, it's definitely true. This application is available on both iPhone and Android mobile phones. For that, you may belong to any part of the country. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about this app that will pay you for literally doing nothing. You may hang around with your friends, watch Netflix, or even go for a walk. What I would personally prefer is going to my bed. Why? Because after all, I am earning money through this app as a side hustle. Hello and welcome to another video on our channel. Before we begin this video, I would like to thank you guys for showing so much love and support in my previous video. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. As a precaution, I would like to tell you to not be totally dependent on this method for your main income, but use it to fulfill your little dreams. Keep making the main income going and use this as a source of passive income. This will help you pay some of the loans you have recently taken up or save money to buy your new PlayStation or other gaming setups. Here on this app, you can see that this app does not deal in points or coins as most fraud apps do, but instead, it deals in actual money, real money. Your amount will be transferred into your PayPal account. Do not worry if PayPal is not available in your country, because along with PayPal, this app will also pay you through a bank transfer. Doesn't it sound too good? This is all we do at our channel. We teach you new methods every day in order to make more and more money online with as little effort as possible. This is a brand new idea and is truly revolutionary as well. The first step requires you to have a PayPal account. It is quite simple to create a PayPal account. All you need to do is go to paypal.com and create a free account there. If PayPal is not available in your country, then do not worry. You can open an online bank account in your country and use that as well. Secondly, you need to watch this video till the end to get a complete idea about how to earn through this app. Please avoid skipping this video so you may not get confused. An amazing thing about this app is that it does not require you to reach a certain number of dollars before you can cash them out. You may have as little as $2 to $5 in your account and you can cash them out right away. In the first application, you can swipe ads appearing when you open the app. This app will pay you up to $100 per month if you keep swiping ads. However, $100 is not much, but it is still better than anything because you just have to swipe. You don't have to do anything complex and work for 10 to 12 hours to make money. The second app I will show has even a much simpler procedure. This app will pay you when you unlock your phone and swipe. Data shows that Generation Z unlock their phones almost 100 times daily for checking emails, social media, or texting. So that is why I told you that you basically have to do nothing and you will earn money. Now, let me explain about both of these applications. The first app I will tell you about is Mucash, and this app is available on Android and iOS. If you're searching on a browser, write mucash.com, where you can download this app. Once you have downloaded this app, you need to sign up for this app and begin earning money just like that. You do not need to submit any registration fee or make any sort of investment. You can do it completely free and earn your share of dollars. One great thing about this app is you don't have to do anything. No playing games or paid surveys or anything like that. You just have to download this app and be paid anonymously. Now, you may have a question about its security, and I have done my fair share of research about this app and discovered that it is secure. And to take more and more money out of it, you need to log into this app through more devices, and you will be paid accordingly. This is something very unique and profitable. The second app that I am about to show you is called Cash Magnet, and this app will pay you a huge amount of money because it combines all of the top reward programs, and it will pay you through PayPal just like that. The thing about this app is that it is only available for Android and not for iOS. This app will give you money for every minute it spends on your phone. It will literally compensate for every second it spends on your phone. Download this app once you are able to see this logo right here. You will need to sign up for it using your Google account or email address. When you put your email address, it will send you a confirmation message, and you will be able to create your account with the app, and you will be paid passively without doing anything. Now, let's rewind what we have learned in this video. We learned that you could use your phone and a couple of apps in order to earn money by doing nothing but installing those apps. The first application is called Mucash, in which you will need to swipe ads to make money. The second app is the best of them all, because this app will pay for doing absolutely nothing. You only need to install the app on your mobile phone. Just to make sure, this app is only available for Android. I would recommend you look forward to this app. However, you can choose whichever app you like the most and start making money. Please don't end the video right now because I have something for you. I have a secret tip for you through which you can make lots of money. The secret tip is that you can earn money from both of the apps as you don't have to do anything except download it. So why not take advantage of both of these applications and make more money? After all, who doesn't want to make good money without making any effort? That is all for today's video. I hope you will install these apps and start making money online. Don't hesitate to comment down your questions, queries, and any suggestions that you have. Our channel aims to help you earn so you don't face any difficulties in life. Support us by giving this video a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button to watch more helpful content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post a video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.